The Georgia Supreme Court has ruled against controversial new voting rules passed by a GOP-majority state board. The rules will not take effect until after the upcoming general election, a loss for the Republican National Committee. The court denied the Republican National Committee's request for the rules to be reinstated with an extraordinary motion submitted to the Georgia Supreme Court. The rules were issued by the GOP-controlled board, whose majority is affiliated with former President Donald Trump, in excess of their delegated authority as an administrative agency. The court found each rule issued by the GOP-controlled board in excess of their delegated authority. Critics argue that the rules were passed to effectuate delay and would have been a recipe for chaos. The hand-counting rule, which would have mandated counties to hand-count the total number of paper ballots and reconcile those numbers with the recorded number of ballots from each scanner box, was the first rule to go. A Fulton County judge has temporarily halted the hand-counting rule in Georgia, stating that it might be valid but cannot stand for now due to its recent issuance just weeks before the upcoming election. The court found that the rules were unsupported by Georgia's election statutes and contrary to the election code. 5 of the 7 rules were found to be inconsistent with election law. The GOP petitioners who sought intervention from the Georgia Supreme Court argue that the procedural denial is not based on the actual law but on procedural considerations.